When you think of the deep web, you might imagine hidden blogs, old databases, or private logins. But some of the most powerful players on Earth use the deep web every single day, including governments, militaries, and global corporations. Let's start with governments. Government agencies store vast amounts of data behind authentication layers, tax records, census databases, immigration systems, voting systems, internal dashboards, and secure communication tools. These aren't visible on the open internet, for obvious reasons. They're protected, private, and often classified. This is deep web infrastructure at national scale. Next, let's talk about the military. Military networks operate almost entirely within the deep web. Mission-critical data, weapon systems, personnel records, satellite feeds, all housed behind multiple layers of access control. Many militaries run on separate classified networks, like the US DoD's SEPRNet and JWICS. You can't search for those systems on Google. They're entirely off the public grid. Why? Because in the world of defense and intelligence, privacy isn't a preference, it's a necessity. Now let's look at big business. Corporations rely on the deep web to protect intellectual property, internal strategies, financials, and sensitive customer data. Think internal HR portals, product development pipelines, and investor dashboards. A pharmaceutical company might host clinical trial data for researchers behind a secure login. A financial firm might run predictive trading algorithms on servers that have never touched the public internet. The deep web is where the real work happens, away from public view, behind layers of authentication and encryption. And here's the twist. Most of this infrastructure isn't secret in a sinister way. It's hidden for security, for privacy, and for control. This is the functional deep web, not the mysterious underground, but the backbone of modern digital operations. Understanding how these entities use the deep web helps us see the bigger picture. It's not just a space for niche users, it's a fundamental layer of how the world works online. And if you're serious about cybersecurity, intelligence, or even journalism, knowing how to move through these spaces is a powerful advantage. In the next video, we'll dive into how to find information on the deep web, legally, ethically, and effectively. See you there.